One of the highlights of Fender Studio Pro version 8.1 is undoubtedly the much requested pitch curves for audio clips. This feature has been so widely requested by many of you, especially if you're working in the electronic music or hip-hop R&B field, where this is just a very common effect, especially on hi-hats, drums and so forth. And I want to show you that in action right now. Pitch curves can be enabled now in version 8.1 for any audio event by simply right-clicking, and then right underneath the gain curves, which we already had, you will find the pitch curves now. And you could use these in a variety of different ways. You could use them for very simple yet very accurate pitch correction within 10-cent accuracy if you actually enter the value that you want. But most of the time you would probably use Melodyne for that. So for me, the creative applications are far more exciting. And that is really a playground when you consider that you have 4 octaves total. So you have 2 octaves up and 2 octaves down in terms of range. And once you see this in action, you probably want to try this out right away for yourself. So this is a beat that I have going on right here. And I like the vibe of it. Just the hi-hat feels a little bit static, right? So now, after right-clicking the event and going on pitch curve, I can select the paint tool and either use one of the preset forms that it comes with, for example, the sine waveform, and then draw that in. While holding down Option or Command, you can actually move that around in any way you see fit. But I prefer doing this free-handed, so let me just go to the freehand tool here, and then you can literally go ahead and do stuff like this. As you can see, you can have a ton of fun with this tool, instant creative results that are sure to inspire you. One thing to note is that the pitch curves will affect every event on the timeline that is referencing the same audio file because it's clip-based. If I don't want that, you can always right-click, go to audio, create a new clip version just like that, and you're already able to do this independently. But most of the time you have like a certain hi-hat pattern going on, especially in electronic music. It is quite common to copy that around. So just know that both of these options are available to you. Thank you for watching.